back here to greet you today. Back again with me Sabila Isti Farina on Breaking News. I will present some of the latest news that will accompany you on the long holiday today. The water flow of the Smajit River in Pamekasan, Madura Regency, East Java, suddenly became deep red. The river water is suspected to be polluted by industrial waste.
Red like the color of blood, the water of Semajit River, which flowed through the Bugis village Pamekasan City district, is no longer as clear as it used to be. In fact, many residents depend on the water. Not only that, the water of the Red River also pollutes the irrigation channel in other Pamekasan City area. According to residents, the red color of the river water comes from the village of Klampar, proposed sub-district since Sunday afternoon. Since then, the color has gotten dark. The professional allegation that the cause of the red color of the river water comes from Bati industry waste, because Klampar village is one of the Bati center in Pamekasan district. Now the DLA officer is checking the water sample in the laboratory.
That's all the information that we can convey. I am Sabila Isti Farina begging to say goodbye. Good afternoon and see you soon.